Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a video overlay with Clipchamp. For those who are still not familiar with Clipchamp, basically Clipchamp is a free online video editor that has several features that you can use so that you can edit your video online and you don't have to download any specific app in order to edit and create your video. In order to create your video, you will have to log in if you already have your own account, or if you haven't, you can just go ahead and sign up to Clipchamp. Clipchamp have several options that you can use if you want to sign up and create an account on that platform. You can either sign up with Microsoft, you can sign up with Google, or you can also sign up manually with your own email. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up off screen. Once you've signed up on Clipchamp, they're going to ask you several questions, so you can just go ahead and answer it according to how you like it. As for example, what kind of video will it create? Will Clipchamp here, you have several options you can choose, either it's education, etc. I'm just going to go ahead and click content, and then I'm also going to click on what type of content I might be making. They have several options as well, and in case your options are not in all of those selection, you can go ahead and click on others and create your own category. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Vlogger, and here we are. This is our editing dashboard. So with Clipchamp, you can create your own video from scratch, or you can also create your video with the help of AI, or you can also choose from the ready-made templates. You can go ahead and click on all templates if you would like to see the selection of templates you can choose to create your video. They have some categories that are going to make it easy for you to see, like they have categories for TikTok video, for Instagram video, for YouTube video. They also have gaming video, etc. But for today, I'm not going to choose any of those templates. I'm going to just go ahead and click on this create a video button because I want to create my video all from scratch. And this will be your video editing page. Right off the bat, you can see that there is this pop-up notification that says that we can search out content if you like. We can find music, video, shapes, and many more. And we're going to get back to that later on this tutorial. But for now, I'm just going to show you that this is the part where you can either insert your own video by uploading it to Clipchamp, or you can also, again, find some videos like the one that the notification show us. In case you would like to choose some background that are already here in Clipchamp, or you would like to add up some elements or stickers, you can just go ahead and click on these content gallery over here. But for today, I'm going to go ahead and import some media that I'm going to use for this video. To import your media, you can go ahead and click on this import media button over here and choose the video you would like to upload, or you can also just drag the media you would want to upload to Clipchamp from your folder to Clipchamp itself. And here I already finished uploading my video. To start editing my video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the video that I've uploaded and I'm going to drag it to this editing bar down here. As you can see, I have successfully added my media to the editing bar, and you can see that there is this long white line that are going along. What that is it's some sort of timestamp. So if I would like to go further or backward of my video, I can go ahead and swipe it around, or I can also adjust the volume of my video on this right side bar over here. I can also choose to detach the audio in case I don't want to use that audio. And what it does is that it's going to separate my video from its video. So I can either edit it differently. It also automatically downloaded the audio file into my PC or my laptop. So I can edit the audio differently from my video, or if I don't want to use it, I can just go ahead and delete the audio file. And if I change my mind and I want the audio back on my video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the video and click on the volume symbol over here. What it does is that it's going to get my audio back, and I can just use it however I like it. And here I'm just going to go ahead and edit my video a little bit. I want to make it a little bit shorter. And you can do that by simply dragging the end of your video, or you can also just split your video and then delete unnecessary part. Now to add your overlay, you're going to need another video. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and try to find a video that exists on Clipchamp. And to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the content gallery menu, and then I'm just going to try and type out background because that's what I want to find. I would like the video that I've uploaded to Clipchamp as the one on top of the background instead of it being the background. So over here, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll around and see if I found a background that I like. I can preview the background by clicking on it, and then I can see and decide whether I want to use it or not. I don't really like the first one that I'm clicking, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep scrolling around. Alright, so I ended up feeling interested with this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. But notice that if I drag it the way I drag my first media onto the editing bar, what it does is that it's not going to create an overlay effect, but it's just going to be a continuation of my first media, and we don't want that. So instead of dragging it besides the first media that we've already inserted, what we're going to do is that we're going to drag it either on top or below the media that we already inserted into the editing bar. And here I ended up putting the background video under my original media that I've already inserted because I want my original media to be smaller than the background, so it's going to create an overlay effect. And as you can see, after I have successfully inserted my background, I want to adjust the size of my media, and here you go. You got the overlay effect. Alright, now that you know how to create an overlay video on Clipchamp, you can also edit your video onto the next level by adding some elements. To do that, you can go ahead and click on the content gallery, like how I tried to find the background earlier. For today, I'm going to insert a frame, and I'm going to go ahead and input this element by dragging it into my media. And then I'm going to adjust the positions of my video inside of the Polaroid frame that I've chosen. And I can do that by simply dragging on the video, and then I'm going to crop it so that it's going to follow the shape of the Polaroid frame. Once I insert an element into my edited video, I can edit it some more by playing with the fade in or fade out animations of that element. I'm going to show you at the end of this video. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust everything. I ended up creating two frames by copying the existing frame that I already had, and then I upload a second video and put it inside of the second frame. And here I'm just showing you how the fade out effect works. And once you've done editing your video, you can go ahead and save it to your device by clicking on this export button, and then you can choose which quality would you like your video to be. The highest quality you can get is 4K, but in order to export in that quality, you will have to upgrade your account to paid account. And that is the tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.